Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video from the Apple Brain, and also I should say Merry Christmas, because today we are unboxing the DJI Mavic Mini. So this thing is super neat. So it does say 16 plus. This is mine, so I'm not sure how that's going to work out, but yeah, so I really want to get started, but before we do, please remember to leave this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit that bell for push notifications for next videos. And also, I'm going to be making some videos on this drone and making videos with this drone. So, yep, let's get started. So, you can't see my head. So what I'm going to do, because I'm not sure how to open this, is I'm going to be like every single child, how they try and open stuff with scissors not properly. I shouldn't have been allowed to touch these. Oh, I made a hole. There we go. Oh, this box feels premium. So this is the DJI Mavic Mini Fly More combo. This isn't the Mavic or the Mini 2 because there are some differences, so don't call me out in the comments, but it's not drastic or it's not big enough that I'd want the better one because it's a lot more money. So now there's another peel slip, which I don't think a scissor would cut, so sorry, I'm very bad. Apple makes their boxes easy and I appreciate that. So good for Apple. So the Fly More combo, oh whoa, there's a lot in here. I should make it this way. So the Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries, a charging hub, the remote, which comes standard, propellers, and the prop guards, plus a carrying case. So let's open this up, and as soon as we get in here, there's this bag. It says DJI Mavic on it, and I assume, the prop guards are in here, it looks like. So we'll just set these here. And then there's also, it smells like it came out of a factory. Just saying. There's some paperwork, it says, from the icon. And it looks like batteries, the 3 batteries, it's heavy. And then I don't know what that is. And then there's that gel stuff that no one likes. So now that we're done with this box, I'm assuming majority of our accessories are in this bag. So I'm gonna it's a zipper. Unlike the new one, it's not like a purse-like look. Oh wow, this looks nice. So first thing I see is stuff wrapped up in plastic with charging hub, and then the drone and the controller. So I'm going to take out the drone as a swim. This is light. Like, this is lighter than a tennis ball. It's lighter than this. This is really light. Wow. I'm just going to set this here. I don't think it has a battery in it yet, so the controller is heavier than the drone. Wow. So I believe that it just clips on. Oh, so my phone just clips onto this but my phone's recording right now, so I can't do that right now. But this controller looks very high quality and nice. It has a good heft. It feels nice. Joysticks, buttons, everything's clicky. So this is nice. And then we have our 3-way charging hub. Oh, and some extra propellers underneath. That's nice in case I break one, which I probably will. So here's the battery hub.
Yeah, I'm getting a bit.
Looks just like a normal. So I believe it can also charge your phone when you're away from a charger, so that's neat. So you have this, and then we have a ton of garbage. I'll pick that up after. And then we have cables. So this is to plug in from the controller to your phone, as you do need that so you can look at the video, so you can see videos on your phone while you're flying up in the air. So you don't run into anyone, or anything. Oh, there's my brother got an air hockey table, so they're assembling it. Which one's this? Oh, I think this is to charge the battery hub because it's micro USB. So, well, you keep that cable, and then what are these ones? There's lots of cables in here. My. So, unfortunately, I can't take you guys out for a fly because it's below 0, and that's what DJI recommends. It has to be above. Because we live in a cold climate, and there's snow, and it's snowing, so. This is for, okay. So this is for Android. This is micro USB for the controller, so your older Galaxies and other Android phones. And then this is what I want, the Lightning. And then it also comes with the USB-C. So this will work on practically every phone. So that's good to know. So I'll be using this cable, obviously, as I have an iPhone. And then also on the bottom we have extra propellers, which I'll leave in here because I don't see why I need to take out the extra propellers. And then these are the batteries. I'm not sure if I like all these batteries because what if one explodes? Oh, they're small, but they do have a heft. Okay. So here's what the battery looks like. It's very small, and it just goes in the back of the drone. So I am going to let these charge up on the charging hub after I'm done this video. So yeah, it comes with 3 batteries, so it gives you an hour and 33 minutes of flight time. Something like that. Maybe it's an hour and 30, or I'm mistaken with the Mini or the Mini 2. So So you have 3 batteries, and they just fit up in here like this. Which way? Sorry, I've never owned a drone or flown a drone, so this is all very new to me. Oh, it connects in here this way. So all these batteries just go in here, and it will charge all of them. And it's smart. So what it does is it charges the one has the least battery in it, and then it charges in priority for which battery could get. Or wait, maybe it's I forget, but it's something like what you need to do. It's either it charges the battery with the biggest charge so you can fly more, or it charges the battery with the smallest charge. How do you get these out here though? So that's kind of hard, but so I'll let this charge, and then if there's anything else, we have I think this big box, it said prop guards. It's light, which probably because they're made of plastic. There's no way to open it without damaging the box. I'm gonna be flying it around the house, so I'm gonna need, there we go. I'm gonna need these prop guards. There we go. So they're connected by 2, so they're each connected to each other. So basically we have our very extremely light drone. We have the controller and then some accessories. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to leave this video a like, hit that bell, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. But I'm gonna fly it around my house, so I might make a TikTok about it or something. So follow me on TikTok at @UNDenison. So yeah, see ya.